In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate developer mode in Odoo. This is a very quick process, but it's also an important one if you want access to more advanced settings and technical features inside Odoo. Developer mode is especially useful when you need to view extra configuration options, work with technical menus, or make more detailed adjustments that aren't visible in the standard interface. To get started, open Odoo and make sure you're on the main dashboard or in a place where you can access the general menu. From there, go to Settings. This is where Odoo keeps many of the platform's core configuration options, so if you're planning to customize or manage the system more deeply, this is usually the right place to begin. Once you're inside Settings, look toward the top area of the page for the search bar. This search bar is a very helpful shortcut because it allows you to quickly find specific actions or settings without manually browsing through different sections. Click into the search bar and type Activate Developer Mode. As you type, Odoo should display matching results. When you see the option to activate Developer Mode, simply select it. After you click it, Developer Mode will be enabled right away. And that's it! Developer Mode is now active. Once it's turned on, you may notice additional options appear throughout the system. That's completely normal. These extra menus and settings are intended for users who need more technical visibility or more control over how Odoo behaves. If you don't see obvious changes immediately, try navigating through Settings or other modules, and you should start to notice the additional tools now available. One helpful tip is to use Developer Mode carefully, especially if you're working in a live system. Since it reveals more advanced options, it's best to make changes only if you understand what they do. But for learning, troubleshooting, or accessing hidden configuration areas, it can be extremely useful. So again, the process is simple. Go to Settings, use the search bar at the top, type Activate Developer Mode, and then select the result. That's all there is to it. You've successfully activated Developer Mode in Odoo.